folks looking forward to that. It almost felt like spring, though, today. We made it into the mid-40s. 43 was our high earlier this afternoon at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport, nearly 10 degrees above normal. So no complaints in the weather department at all today. We're still tracking increasing clouds during the overnight, that perhaps leading to a few rain chances tomorrow on Sunday. Is it a washout tomorrow? Absolutely not, is going to be the answer to that question. But do I think that we'll run into a couple of raindrops hither and yon throughout Northeast Ohio on your Sunday? Absolutely. And then by next week, specifically Tuesday evening into Wednesday, yes, I do think that we may run into a couple of snow showers. And could we see a light accumulation? Well, I think that Tuesday night into Wednesday could be kind of interesting. Upper 30s, low 40s is where we're currently at in the temperature department, with winds generally from the southwest between 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what satellite and radar imagery looks like. Again, notice the increasing clouds from the southwest overspreading much of Northeast Ohio, and is going to continue to overspread Northeast Ohio through the evening and overnight. The reason for it is because we're sandwiched in between this area of low pressure. Notice the flow around that, and this area of high pressure, which is helping to scoop up some moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. And what's happening over the next couple of days is that that plume of moisture is going to be thrown right here into Northeast Ohio, not only through the day tomorrow, but even on Monday. And with it, I think that we'll see a couple of showers. So let's time it all out for you and show you what it looks like. We'll pick things up in the next 45 minutes or so around midnight tonight and take you through your Sunday morning. And notice those little areas of green, just indicating that moisture will be out there. Notice that it's not widespread by that point. So as you're up and out the door, perhaps heading to worship services first thing tomorrow morning, we could see a couple of showers. I think things really get going, though, by tomorrow afternoon around dinner time. So if you have any supper plans with the family and friends tomorrow around the 4 to 6 p.m. hour, again, you'll want to make sure that you have the umbrellas and some of that rain gear on hand. And keep it with you through first thing on Monday, because I also think that Holly will be tracking some scattered showers first thing Monday morning, and then through Monday afternoon, we'll have our chief meteorologist, Betsy Kling, in, and I think that she'll also be talking about a couple of hit and miss showers. But look at those temperatures by Monday, near 50 degrees. What a treat for us here in Northeast Ohio. Here's what that Universal Windows Direct full 7-day forecast looks like. As we mentioned, for Sunday, a couple of rain chances in there. One thing to bring your attention to is that warmth by Monday at 50 degrees. And then Tuesday evening into Wednesday, that's when rain transitions to some snow showers. I think we could see a light accumulation through the day on Thursday, but we begin that warm up once again Friday and then into Saturday of the next work week. We're talking about mid and upper 40s, near 50 degrees. I am so okay with that forecast after what we were just struggling through just 2 weeks ago. Do you remember when we were talking about 20 and negative 25 degree wind chills?
Wind chills, yeah. And that's kind of what we were talking about over the break, too. Andrew and I were just talking about how, I mean, it's kind of crazy how 45 degrees gets us like super excited.
Oh, yeah.
But there's still snow on the ground. But I mean, I'll take anything with some sunshine.
Oh, yeah, well, and I was going to say, and you know it's balmy when you see folks out and about wearing shorts here in Northeast Ohio. It's happened before and it'll happen again.
Michael, thanks. And coming up.